इस बीच का नाम है सील बीच। सील बीच
In Seal Beach that is titled Save Our Beach. We do it the third Saturday of every month. Today in particular is the California Coastal Commission Cleanup Day. So we have two setups, here and one down at First Street. But usually we're only down at First Street.
But why you do it? What motivates you to do cleanup?
Because there is so much trash in the ocean that washes up on our beach, and between the trash, birds, etc., we're just trying to keep the beach clean and healthy where people can use it.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
God bless you. Thank you. Doing this cleanup.
I live in the area. I think it's important to be able to clean up the beach, and I come here on a regular basis. It's important to be able to maintain the area that you live in and have a clean environment. So we're doing this as a group activity. We do this every once in a while. We do service projects throughout the area, and we pick the beach cleanup today. We've done this several times, so this is an important aspect. There's a lot of litter here that's little things that need to get picked up that pollute the environment. So it's important to be a part of that, right? To contribute. If I didn't do it, then who else is going to do it, right? So, and I can't do it by myself. It's a collective effort with everybody contributing on a regular basis.
What's your name, sir?
Jason.
Jason. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
And God bless you.
You too. Thank you.
सब बीच में सफाई कर रहे हैं, कूड़ा करकट उठा रहे हैं। इसके अलावा यहाँ पे कुछ लोग सर्फिंग कर रहे हैं। आप देखें कितने सारे लोग बीच पे यहाँ देखिए सफाई के लिए आज जमा हुए हैं, कूड़ा करकट उठा रहे हैं। आप देख सकते हैं कि कितने सारे लोग यहाँ पे बीच की सफाई कर रहे हैं। ये सब कैलिफोर्निया में सफाई कर रहे हैं बीच की। ये सब बीच की सफाई कर रहे हैं कैलिफोर्निया में। बीच की सफाई कर रहे हैं, बीच की सफाई कर रहे हैं। कूड़ा करकट उठा रहे हैं।
Well, it's just a way to bring back the community and just do good.
Thank you.
Since there's always so much trash in the ocean, and just every little person, every piece of trash we pick up is just another way to help the world.
Thank you very much. बीच पे सफाई कर करके इन्होंने कूड़ा रख भी दिया। ये वॉलंटियर बीच की सफाई कर रहे हैं। कराची में भी बीचेस पे लोगों को सफाई करनी चाहिए। बीच का नाम है सील बीच। ये लॉस एंजलिस में मौजूद है, ये लॉन्ग बीच पे, और यहाँ पे लोग सफाई कर रहे हैं बीच की वॉलंटियर से। ये सील बीच है, लोग सर्फिंग कर रहे हैं। ये सील बीच था। How many fish you caught today?
So far I've caught 2.
And then what you do? You just throw them back?
Yeah, I don't keep them. I just throw them back.
That's cool.
Yeah.
For how long you are doing it?
I've been fishing for about, I want to say 7 years. I want to say
7 years.
There you go.
Wait. Can I just
yeah, go ahead.
now throw it back, and I want to see. Now he.
Whee! Off he goes.
Go get him. You got him? There you go. Oh.
So they caught the
No, I think that's a croaker of some sort.
fish. What's your name?
But Quentin Morrison.
Wow, buddy. Sweet looking. Sweet.
So he just caught a fish. What is the name of this fish?
I don't know.
I don't know. He doesn't have a label.